Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy. For today's video is about the Introduction to Agile Methodology. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we will be going through what is Agile Methodology, then the team requirements for Agile Methodology, after which Agile Tools overview is what we'll go through, and then we'll go through what to look for in Agile. Let's move to our first topic. What is Agile Methodology? According to the 15th Annual State Report by the Digital.ai, 94% of the respondents acknowledged that their organization had implemented some Agile methodology. It's no wonder teams must employ the right Agile tools to maximize their project progress. Agile is a project management methodology that emphasizes iteration, adaptability, and rapid turnaround times. The main advantage of Agile development is that it aids teams in delivering results more quickly with higher quality and predictability and a stronger capacity for change. It highlights the following: processes tiny amounts of work, visualization of the process for transparency, collaboration with customers, and request responses as soon as you can. This helps you produce improved products or services to suit your customers' needs better and respond rapidly to changing demands. Agile teams may complete tasks more rapidly but adapt to changing projects' requirements and reduce work procedures. Team requirement. Now let us go on to explore why the various teams across the world require the famous Agile methodology for an exemplary working. Agile is the approach that software development teams adopt most frequently across the world. When asked what it means, many development teams would likely to try to define it in terms of technologies they use and the various methods that they apply, such as Kanban boards, daily stand-ups, and Scrum meetings. While Agile uses several tools and techniques, they can only be utilized to define the methodology as a whole. Working and thinking in an Agile manner is one strategy a team might use to set itself up for a particular task or activity and projects. Utilizing adaptability, flexibility, and transparent communication are the foundations of Agile. This enables the teams to produce affordable, user-friendly products while navigating the chaotic and fascinating world of product development. This is accomplished by pushing teams to accommodate frequent client and end-user and limitless iterations. The work is planned in sprints that address backlog of work rather than having everything set in stone according to a strict deadline. It frequently applies the failing fast principle and permits the reversal and changes in direction. Thus, it implies that an Agile work environment changes constantly and you need a powerful Agile project management tool to keep things under control. It serves as the foundation for an Agile team. If you find a good one, your only concern will be pleasing your customers and end users. Agile Tools Overview. Agile tools are popular because they can raise the team productivity, financial results, and customer satisfaction. Agile project management tools aims to make it simple and quick to advance a project in tiny increments. Projects are divided into smaller batches so that the self-organizing and self-managing teams can develop and test them simultaneously. Agile tools balance the continual buzz of activity by enabling team members to collaborate, concentrate on minor, quick-fix problems, and keep track of impending tasks and works in progress. Finally, you might have to coordinate your activities as a professional service provider with other teams engaged in concurrent initiatives. Due to the added complexity, you must select Agile tools and techniques that are a suitable fit for your working style. What to look for in Agile? It can be challenging to decide among the numerous Agile tools available. To choose which tool is ideal for you, consider the following. How many people are there on your team? Are you a software development company Or does your business offer a software product or service? What kind of clients do you often work for, and what kind of projects do you work on? What kind of information do you require frequently? Which type of reports? What stages of Agile adoption is your team in? Is Agile new to them? How much does a month's worth of an Agile tool cost you? And finally, what experience does your team have with Agile project management? Whatever your responses to the above questions were, the following features should be present in all Agile project management tools: effective backlog management, monitoring and planning for project, maps of the road, release strategy, finally, good collaborative capabilities. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you to advance your career in Agile, then let our industry mentors guide you on your journey to becoming an Agile professional. The Knowledge Academy is the world's largest training provider for courses such as digital marketing, PMP certification training, Prince2, Agile, Microsoft Azure, and many more. Visit our website to get more details about the courses. Get in touch with our consultants. Inquire now.